Besok malam memang adalah penting bagi JDT kerana kita ingin meneruskan perjalanan kita hingga kalau boleh kita nak ke final untuk tahun ni. So kita akan berusaha pada habis-habisan pada malam besok. So dengan pemain semua sudah pulih jadi kita turun besok dengan kesebelasan yang terkuat untuk menentang Ceres FC.
Yeah, that's what we're all living for. That's why we're in the AFC Cup competitions, to have good quality teams, and yeah, as I said before, we want to measure ourselves with the best teams around the Asian zone, and JDT is definitely one part of it.
Tomorrow we'll be playing Lakin. We try to don't give chance to him and win. I hope you can go to final. The more important is we need to be concentrated 90 minutes until the last whistle. But for tomorrow we need to give our best because we play Lakin, and we wait for the second leg. But tomorrow is an important game for us.